Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to 4x squared plus 3x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, you got about 2x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have number 3 in here. dv, we have cosine x dx. The integration of cosine x, we got about v equals to sine x. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have this one multiplied by sine x minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration. So we have number 4 with number 2, you got about 8. And then we have sine x dx. Next, we continue use integration by parts for this one. So I need to put about u equals to ax plus 3. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have a dx. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. That wise we have number 8. Number 3, that's about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0. We have dv equals to sine x dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive. And we have the integration 8 cosine x dx. The integration of this one, we will have about a sine x, and we put about c outside here. That is about the constant. This is the end. Thank you for watching.